Okay, I'm gonna show you how to properly dice an onion. So to start, we're gonna wanna cut off the top. We're keeping the root end intact. I'm gonna just cut this in half as well. Now you'll wanna peel that outer layer off. And if you have something kind of nasty like that, you're gonna wanna get rid of that as well. Okay. So you wanna make sure you're using a very sharp knife. A dull knife is not safe. If you're struggling to kind of cut through something, then it would be a pretty nasty cut. All right, so I'm clearing my board off, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the root end facing away from my knife, and I'm going to be doing some horizontal slices. So stabilizing your onion, depending on how large you want that dice. I'm going pretty small, so I'm gonna probably do 3 slices, and I am going almost all the way to the end. And then one more as I get closer to the top. Now I'm gonna turn that root end straight away from me, and using the tip of my knife, I'm going to cut all the way down to my board, but again, keep that little bit attached. Make sure you are holding your hand in like a claw form, including your thumb, so that way your knife is just being guided by your knuckles and your fingertips are never in the way. This is a great way to be able to get really uniform cuts so that you're cooking evenly and so that your bites are even as well. If a couple little pieces kind of fly off, don't worry about it, just kind of move them out of the way. What we have now is sort of like a fan. It's all still attached right there, so that way it'll make it really nice and easy for us to turn that root end away again, hold on, and just dice away. Again, don't be afraid if little pieces might kind of fall out. You can go back and chop those at the very end. So I've got a couple here that I'll just kind of finish off. You've got perfectly even pieces ready to go.